What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel, How to Cook. And today we're doing some outdoor cookings today. My prayer hopes that the rain will fall, because I've been wanting to do this forever. But this is pray that the rain hold out. But we're gonna make some roast breadfruit, some ackee and saltfish. Hopefully, if the rain hold out, we can able to finish up everything. But we're gonna do some outdoor cookings for you today. Make sure to subscribe, y'all, and turn on the post notification. All right. Now get this thing set up. But I already kind of start the fire because the bugs that made out here, mosquito them and them start bite me up. So, like I said, I pray so the rain will fall, right? But we are getting fire. The fire started already, but I have to just finish it up. So, I have the breadfruit that I saw, some nice roasting breadfruit, skeleton thyme, pepper, garlic, tomato, onion, bell pepper, and the saltfish that right there. So, I have some ackee seasoning, black pepper, vinegar, oil, and this is the ackee we're going to use. I have my pot over there, so everything set up. Be a bush there behind me, because I know I'm living in a bush already. Fire go on. Tent over there, so just in case rain start fall. And yeah. So, I already have my tent. I think I already shown my tent already. But I have the tent up. So, I go and let out up the tent, people. Just in case the rain start pour, I can always go in on my tent and chill. Right? At the tent that's right, so alright, so it's the tent here. Alright, good. So I'm done. Wash the vegetable them and they're about to cut them. So now what time for turn the breadfruit. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take one fire and kill 2 birds because rain look like it's gonna really come down. And if I wait for the breadfruit for done roast, then rain probably even come down even more. So, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on one pot on the fire and go on boil the saltfish. Fire, 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 fire. So, but of the fire one, whole heap of smoke, so definitely no bugs out here. But what I would do though is go ahead and do the veggies them, cut up the veggies them while the breadfruit are going do a thing and the saltfish. Because goody, rain and come. Rain and come both. Big and bad and serious. Rain and come. Rain and come. Breeze a blow. Alright, goody, so everything I'll cut up here, so I'm gonna try to make life easy and simple. Alright, goody, so I'm gonna turn the breadfruit them and give the pot more room for do what it needs to do, which is bubble and cook the saltfish right there. So but the breadfruit them come along real nice, really good. So I'm gonna just push in the wood some more, the fire, just make sure so the fire stay blazing. You know what I'm saying? But I never know so the girl could have cook out a door. As summer raising, wood fire, coal stove. So your girl know all about them something there. You're not frightened over cooking in the house, cause majority of the time I there at Jamaica, I never usually cook in the house. We cook out a door for wood fire and make spoon dumpling and them something there. But while Kalalo, yeah, my friend them, so me grew up. So you have put in this right there, so make the fire go and blaze. As you can see, the fire nice. Fire real nice. Fire the way it's supposed to do. Yeah. Breadfruit to roast up. That look good. Rain I get ready for come. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in my tent. Just go and chill out in my tent a little bit. And relax in my tent. And just wait for them things there for done up. Alright, but so the saltfish are bubble real nice, right there. So the breadfruit them look good. But I just feel like I have to turn this right just a little bit more. Make it get like a fire, right there, so. Yeah. But this one look pretty done. I'm gonna make this boil like a bit more. And then I may also try to take one stone and kill two birds again. But this needs some more time. The one I look done. I'm gonna take off the one, yeah. I'm gonna take off the one, yeah. Make this go on like a bit more with itself. Make the saltfish go on bubble, right? And then let's go ahead and start cook the ackee. Combine everything nice, and I write this out there. Alright, boo, so the breeze pick up, so the fire go on real pretty and nice, look there. So I take off one left to go. Give that one a little bit more time. The saltfish really go on with itself, and everything look pretty nice. I'm gonna just go ahead and just put this on the fire and put some highlight just to make it things go on quick, because you saw the sky stay, rain I go fall, and I don't know how long I can take a hold up for. So as you can hear, I just see like about two rabbits go by a while ago. Two big size rabbits just run by a while ago. So yeah. Put some oil in here, so I left all the big spoon, but that's alright. We're gonna use knife and spin this up. We're gonna make it work. You know what I'm saying? We have to make the knife work. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put some little bit more oil in this. We do need that, right? Just for the pepper right there, so I cut the pepper still, so you can have some extra flavor. So 2 pots are going on fire. Add a little bit more oil in it. Since we're gonna eat roast breadfruit with it, we definitely need oil. Some of that, some black pepper. That's all I'm going to put on it. I'm not going to put nothing else. The ackee seasoning, wicked bad. So I'm not going to put nothing else on it whatsoever. That's all I want today. Now make sure if you want to watch me this far, I don't want me to do more outdoor cookings like this, I don't have to do a thumbs it up, because when I thumbs it up, thumbs up the video, my sister will like it, and then we will definitely do some more of them outdoor thing of food, alright? So I'm going to just remove some of the fire, some of the heat, and then cut up the breadfruit. Peel up the breadfruit and get the breadfruit ready. So everything else so pretty much is done. Right, the sub. Yes, goody. See? I can saltfish. So now I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna just go ahead and peel up them other thing there. Alright, goody. So the breadfruit done. Peel and everything. Some part I did look fairly decent. Some part I did beat up. Like I beat up chewing gum. You know the only place you can get the best breadfruit are in Jamaica. So right now what just happened is make this work. So that done. So I'm gonna just combine up some of this with breadfruit and go and eat and all a medi. Rain make it when we're done. Yeah. Move that right so. Alright. So I could taste up this thing here. Right, so get a piece of the breadfruit here. That will do. Alright, good, so there you have it. Put it down so sun can see that. Okay, saltfish was breadfruit. Done. Future, get over here. It's hot, y'all. Future for come out here. Him soon running because thunder go on. Hot. So good. The piece are good. Hot. Future, yeah. That's future right there. I'm happy in everything. That's it for now, y'all. I'm gonna wax this down. So good. Make sure you like, subscribe if you have not, and come back for more awesomeness. Rain finally I make it. Love you guys. See you later.